morning, guys. Friends Okwudiri here again. Chart analysis. Today we're looking at Australian US dollars. To make our chart analysis, firstly let's have a higher time frame perspective. Looking at it on a higher time frame, we want to find out what the market direction is. To determine the market direction here, very simple. Okay, what trend is this, guys? What do we have? Consecutive lower lows and lower highs. Alright, we call this a downtrend. This is a downtrend, right? Good. Market structure indicates this is going on a downtrend. Lately, it's been on a downtrend. All right. But then looking at this downtrend, there seems to be a structural shift that is occurring right now. This was a lower low, right? We expected another lower low. We did not quite get a lower low. We got a higher low. Subsequently, another higher low. Now we expect another higher high to tell us, okay, buyers are actually in charge of this market and they are the ones currently going. So we have to look further. This here is a higher low, but we're getting lower highs. Okay, market has not changed, but there is a possibility that the market could change. So that's just that on the higher time frame analysis. Looking at this, we also have ourselves a fair value gap and a demand zone. But let me not go marking it up from the higher time frame. Let me go down to the 4-hour time frame and then mark our demand level. Now looking at it on the 4-hour time frame, this is our fair value gap. Let's mark our fair value gap. And then the other block zone. This is our fair value gap, FEG, fair value gap. So let me give it a different color. There we go, guys. Let me still indicate it on the text. Fair value gap, FEG. All right. Can call it an area of imbalance. Fair value gap, and then where is our demand zone? This is our demand zone. All right, so this is our demand zone and this is our fair value gap. Demand zone. Okay, so this is what we expect from the market for the continuation to the upside. If the market could sell in further, come into our demand zone, we can get our entry and then take the trade, or it could actually come to this it could come to our fair value gap. Coming to our fair value gap, it will fill in the fair value gap, find ourselves an entry confirmation to the upside. That is a possibility. Also, another zone to take our trade off from is our demand zone. So that's that on the 4-hour time frame. Now I love to take my trade my trading decisions should be made on a daily time, on a lower time frame. Let me say two time frame lower from my analysis time frame. My analysis time frame is a hours time frame. So let us go to the 30 minutes time frame and see what's going on, guys. What do we have any time in 30 minutes time frame? We got a break. This level was the demand zone, but this demand zone was broken. I indicated it in the community yesterday, say that today, which is Tuesday, that if we should get a confirmation around the zone for an entry, we take our entry. So far, this level has been broken, so it's no longer a demand zone. Rather, it's now like a supply zone. Support and resistance traders, you call it a support zone that is broken, which is now turning resistance. This is what we actually saw. The market broke it, came back for a retest, and beautiful. Some people could actually take a trade here and stop us at this zone. The market is selling for you. Now, what do we have here, guys? It seems to be like buyers are actually coming in. Buyers cannot just come in from nowhere. The market doesn't work that way. So looking at this now, we're still observing sellers are actually in charge. So right now, this market is not good for a buy. It's not good for a buy because we have a fair value gap here that has not been filled, and the market likely might come in to fill in this fair value gap. Let me look more. All right, a fair value gap is not filled. Nice looking fair value gap. So we have a high potential of the market selling into our fair value gap, mitigating our demand zone, and then giving us a buy, or just from the fair value gap we get ourselves a buy entry. For a buy confirmation, we are looking to see like a change of character around the fair value gap before we take our trade. Also, we hope that the fair value gap holds and it does not just be an inducement. So looking at this trade right now, I could say it's safe to say, okay guys, let us sell this because this is all we need to take a sell trade. Put our sell trade here and our stop loss just above this zone. This is giving us less than 25 pips stop loss. So this is a trade that I feel comfortable sharing. So I will take this trade and I'll share with my community because sellers are obviously in charge. Buyers seem to have lost momentum right now. So is a trade possibility. holistic trade with proper risk management, because not all trade is going in our favor. But when you follow the market, true trade followers, you tend to have higher chances of a winning trade. So without much talking, right now we have a bullish engulfing candle at 50 minutes time frame, but that bullish engulfing candle seems to be very invalid because of this market. Sellers are actually taking charge of the market and they're actually selling. So without much talk, let me take in the sell trade and I'll share with my traders in the community. This is a good stop loss. Let me just move it to the zone because of volatilities that can occur. So this is our stop loss of about 38 pips, 28 pips. That is a nice stop loss. Where will our target be, guys? Our target to be all the way to our FEG, right? Our target is all the way to our FEG zone. Yeah. So how is this? How is this looking? This is not so good. My type of trading, I'll call this a target 1, and then my target 2, guys. Our target 2 will be all the way to the zone here. So this is what we're sending out to the trading community. If this content was helpful to you, don't hesitate to smash the like button, subscribe, and you can also join our community from the link in the description. Thank you so much. So that's that on AUD US dollar analysis today. Thank you. This is our trade. To take this trade, ensure you use proper risk management. I have a personal recommendation. If it's a trading account, don't risk more than 10%. If it's a prop firm account, because of the fact that FriendsFOREX has a very good high win ratio, we can say you reach 1% per trade. Okay. Also, there is a possibility that this trade will go against us. Because here we could call this a demand zone, or let me say a support level. There is a possibility whereby from this zone the market might not just buy, might just reject, give us a change of character, and then continue to the upside. So please enter consecutively. Don't go all risks in. Okay, don't just go all in. Don't just go all in. So that's just that on Australia US dollar. We've taken this trade, but we tend to lose, tend to risk about 28 pips, 28 pips to we're risking about 28 pips to get about 87 pips. So that's a very good trade for risk management. So let's see how the trade plays out. Thank you.